Tiger Lifting Professional Chain Blocks with Overload Protection. This hoist is manufactured from the highest quality steel materials, offering a lightweight, compact, and rugged construction, and can be safely used for fleeting, drifting, and cross-hauling applications up to 45 degrees without loss of rated capacity. The steel body construction is built for impact resistance and is made with the highest quality calibrated alloy load chain. It features the patented Quad Cam Pawl System, which guarantees engagement of at least one of the two reciprocating cam pawls. In the unlikely event of a pawl spring failure, its brake remains fully functional, maintaining the load. Each lift is individually proof tested at 1.5 times the rated capacity. This chain block exceeds the requirements of ASME B30.26 and meets all national and international standards. Our customers use the Tiger Lifting Professional Chain Block in machine and fab shops, on offshore platforms, in mining operations, and in other industrial settings. They're available in 10 and 20 feet lift lengths and in working load limits from 1 to 5 tons. When it comes to manual lifting, the Tiger Lifting Professional Chain Block is the safe and premium solution to your lifting needs.